Nepal. We arrived in Nepal. When we went out from the plane, we noticed that the weather was really dense. It was very difficult to breathe. I can see that there's a lot of chaos with the cars.
But I still wished I was in your sea. I had buried my wandering heart deep into the earth. 'Cause when we were mountaintops apart, oh how I long for your valley deep. Oh, anywhere I run, I can see the sun.
We are waiting for our bus to go and catch the jeeps and we have a 9-hour drive.
Anywhere I go, I can feel your soul burning like the stars in the sky, in the sky.
We arrived in Nepal. We are on the jeep, we're squeezed. It's 9:30, we arrived in Thorong. Now we're very hungry, so we have to eat. It's 3:15. We arrived in Manang. Ice Lake was so emotional for everyone that it was really tiring and too much. We are at 4,000 meters altitude. I have to remove my shoes because it's very tiring. The best thing that I'm going to wear these Skinners. And today I had my solar panel on my backpack, so I had charged my power bank, Easy ACC. We stopped for some tea. We woke up early today at 3 a.m. It's freezing. Day 6, we're going to the top.